Good evening, everyone. Well, my 34-minute live video did not work. The Our Life in Holland crew did not get into the video, even though I sent them the link. What I'm going to end up doing with this video is I'm going to end up telling my story, and when I post the video, I will send her the link, because I will actually have the actual link. So, what else do we have going on today? A lot of rain. A lot of rain. We almost had 2 inches of rain over here. And we're expecting more this weekend. From Saturday night all the way through Tuesday. And yes, I'm supposed to go out Sunday afternoon. Yes. I'm really supposed to go out Sunday afternoon. Of course, I'm supposed to go out Sunday afternoon. I'm supposed to go see Kai Baldwin. Of course. I'm looking forward to seeing Kai Baldwin. As I said in a video I posted last week. But that's not what I'm doing here. What I'm doing here tonight is I'm putting a video together. Now, it's not what I'm going to do. I have your number now. I'm going to send you the link to the video, and you're going to watch it. And I'm going to say right now, oh gosh, looks like my video itself is frozen a little bit. I'm not exactly going to worry about that, because I want the audio mainly. Of course I want the audio mainly. But that's what I'm going to do. So Lizzie, listen up. I've been wanting to be in contact with you and London and Ashton, because London and I have cerebral palsy. And we have similar personalities. Please reach out to me now that we have a common way to reach out to each other. We can do it via email, which I'm going to put in the description of the video. And I'm going to take care of that. The question is, am I going to have my friend Brandon send you the video, or am I going to send it to you? I think the answer is that I'm going to end up sending it to you, because I have to have something to drink here, some orange juice, and take a pill, and then I can get my day moving again. Supposed to chat with my friend Brandon again here in a little bit to figure out what we can do if this video doesn't work out either. Whatever. I'm just getting really frustrated and not exactly sure what to do. Do we know that Lindsay doesn't want to be in contact? No one has told me. No one has told me either way. Sorry, you may be just listening to audio. My screen has gone crazy. I don't mind that. I don't know. Other than that, I'm okay over here. But I'm wishing everyone a good day. Maybe I'll do another video later about other topics. But now I need to focus on getting this video set up and out before 8 p.m. Eastern. So, let's take care of that. Wishing everyone a good rest of the evening, and I'll be back with some more cool stuff later in the week. I'll do a video on Monday or Tuesday, doing a weather update and a update on the Kai Baldwin stuff. So look out for that. Lindsay, here comes your video.